Good morning, Mulaski. I'm Jordan, and today is Friday, December 14th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated for 30 seconds of silence.
Today's lunch choices are double cheeseburger, takeout pepperoni pizza, and the grab and go. And your sides are seasoned potato wedges, fresh grapes, and milk.
If you're interested in creating, designing, recording, and editing your own announcements, you should join MVP. We meet every day before school at 7 a.m.
If you would like to apply for next year's MVP, go to mulaski.org to complete the application.
Final exams are next week. Monday and Tuesday will be regular school days. Come ready to review for your exams. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are half days of school for final exams. School will get out at 11:45. Make sure you plan to eat a good breakfast because lunch will not be served on these half days. Don't leave all the studying to the end. Start now and dedicate a little time every day to prepare for your final.
Students, it's your responsibility to bring your Chromebook to school every day with a 100% charge. Don't cry about it or make it a big deal. It's the simplest thing to do. Plug it in before you go to bed every single night.
Yearbooks capture the heart of everyday life here at Mulaski and will give you something to look back on for years to come. Last year we sold out of yearbooks and had a lot of sad students. Don't miss out and purchase your yearbook today. You can go to the school web store at mulaski.org or bring cash to the school banker.
We do not have a late bus today, so please make sure you get to your bus immediately after the 6th period bell.
Thank you for tuning in to today's MVP. Have a great day.